Good morning, students. In this lecture, we will be looking into writing letters. So, let's begin. A letter is the most ancient form of communicating with those who are separated by distance. So, writing letters are definitely a part of our social life, right? We know that in today's world, that is technology driven world, internet and email plays a major role in our life. So there are some correct or acceptable way of using the internet. So we must understand it basically in order to sound polite. The two basic forms of letter are the personal and the official. So first of all, let us look into the personal and the official forms of letter, that is the formal and informal forms of letter. So in a formal letter, it contains the sender's address, then the date, receiver's name and address. Receiver is the person who is receiving the mail or the letter. Then salutation, then it must contain the subject, then body of the letter. In this body of the letter, we must introduce ourselves and mention the reference letter. If any reference letters are there, then mention that. So we have to make it brief or short as possible. Then it contains a complimentary clause, and this complimentary clause can be faithfully, sincerely, truly, like that. And in the end, it must contain name and address of the sender. And in an informal letter, it contains what the sender's address as in that of the formal letter, then date, then salutation, then there is no need of a subject in an informal letter. You can directly go to the body of the letter, so wherein you have to use an informal style. Then it contains the complimentary clause. This can be truly or lovingly. And in a formal letter, the complimentary clause can be only faithfully, sincerely, truly, like that. In an informal letter, it can be lovingly, truly, and then name and address of the sender. And it is said that in an informal letter, if it is necessary or essential, we can add the receiver's address in a box. So this is all about the formal and informal forms of letter. Thank you.